Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up an online ordering system for a restaurant using a free plugin. The name of the plugin is Orderable. This plugin has free as well as premium version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin and later I'm going to install the premium plugin also. I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium plugin and how you can set up an online ordering system for a restaurant. Let me show you an example here. This is a demo website that I have created using the Orderable plugin. And this is the list of products or the menu that I have. We have three different categories here: burger, pizza, and dessert. If I click on any product, it will show the quick view of that product. For example, this is the product and this is the description of the product. And you can also use add-ons for this product. In this example, for the burger, we have different types of add-ons: cheese, toppings, and condiments. So if I want to add American cheese, I can select that one and it is going to add that price. I can also add toppings. These are the free toppings that I can add, and once selected I can simply click on it and it is going to add that product to the cart. Let's go to pizza. This is the pizza. If I click on it, it will open the quick view, and these are the add-ons for the pizza. If I want to add extra cheese, I can select that one. It will add that to the pricing. I can also add other options. For example, let's add this one. It is going to add $2. So you can also create add-ons for each and every product category. So I'm going to add these two products. So we have two different products in the cart. Similarly, we have some products in this category also. If I click on this one, it will show the quick view. It will also show the nutritional information for this product. So if you want to create a nutritional facts about the product, you can add that also. You will see the sample information here: serving size 2, calories, how many calories, fat, trans fat, everything can be added on each and every product. All right, so we have two products in the cart. Let's click on checkout. And now we are on the checkout page. Here I can add the billing address, and after adding the billing address, it will give me two different options: whether you want to pick up or you want the product to be delivered to your address. So I can select pickup, and the pickup will be free. So the customer will pick up the order from the restaurant. If they want, they can also select delivery. So we are going to deliver the order to the customer's address. You can also create multiple locations, and customer will be able to select the location while entering their billing address. So here we are going to select a delivery option. These are the product details, and you will see delivery date. When do you want this product? As soon as possible. That means whenever it is ready, just deliver the product to the customer. Or you can also select today, and for today you can select the time when you want this product to be. So let's say I want this product at 4 p.m. So I'm going to select 4 p.m. So that means I want this product today at 4 p.m. I can also select tomorrow, and I can select the time for tomorrow's date. For example, I can select 2 p.m. So that means I want this order to be delivered tomorrow at 2 p.m. The other option is next date. So you can also select the date, day after tomorrow. Right, so I'm going to select today, and today will be, let's say, 4 p.m. So the delivery date and time option is also available. Then we have tip amount. You can also accept tip. Here we have different options: 15% of the total amount, 18%, 22%, or no tip, or custom tip. If I select 15%, it is going to add 15% as a tip. If I select no tip, it is going to remove the tip. It will make it 0. Or I can use custom tip. Let's make it $2 and apply it. And it is going to add $2 in the final price. So there are many different features in this Orderable plugin. So let's see how we can create an online ordering system for restaurant using free as well as premium Orderable plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo e-commerce website that I have created using Elementor and WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce is a plugin which will help you create an e-commerce website. In order to use Orderable plugin, you need to have a WooCommerce website ready. So on this demo WooCommerce website, you will see that I have already added some products. These are the menu items that I have added. And this is the kind of restaurant website that I have created using Elementor and WooCommerce. Let me show you the plugins that I'm using on this website. Let's go to dashboard, go to plugins, and you will see I'm using Elementor Pro plugin and a WooCommerce. So if you don't know how to create a website using WooCommerce and Elementor, I have a separate video tutorial on how to create an e-commerce website. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can watch that video and create an e-commerce website. Now let me show you the shop page. This is a shop page, and on this shop page you will see the list of products that I have. And if I click on product here, this is the single product page. Here you will see the image, then we have title, description, add to cart, and the information about the product. Now instead of using it as e-commerce website, we are going to install the Orderable plugin, and we are going to create a list of menu that people can order from the website. So let's go to plugins and go to add new plugin. We are going to start with the installation of the free plugin. So here search for the plugin Orderable. And you would see the free plugin here, Orderable WordPress restaurant online ordering system and food ordering plugin. This plugin has been installed on more than 6,000 WordPress websites. So click on install now and click on activate. All right, now this is a setup wizard. Welcome. Let's click on begin. Now it is asking you for the business information. So here you can enter your business name, then enter the address line. I'm using some dummy address line here. Address line 2, city. Let's use a city, Dallas. And here you can add the country and the state. I'm going to select United States, Texas, and enter the zip code for your location. And here you can add your email address. Please keep me up to date via email. If you want updates, you can check this box and click continue. Now it is asking you for the location info. Which services do you offer? So we are going to select delivery as well as pickup. So we are going to offer delivery as well as pickup from the restaurant. Then which days of the week are you open? So here you can set up the days when you are open for the delivery and the pickup. So I'm going to select all these options. It will be 7 days a week. What are the normal opening hours? So I'm going to select, let's say 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So these are the opening hours. Click on continue, and it says all done. Click on save and finish. Now we are on the dashboard of the Orderable plugin. This is a quick video. At the top you will see tip settings. You can set up tip, however for that you will need Pro plugin. So this is a feature of Pro plugin. Checkout setting again available for Pro. Then we have order reminders, enable reminders. You can enable the reminders and it is going to send the reminder. You will see frequency here, reminder frequency duration 1 hour and maximum number of reminders will be 3, and this is the content in the reminder, right? So if you want to enable, you can enable this. Then we have printing option, a default layout. These are the layouts for the printing. Then we have side drawer, accordion position. So we will go through these settings later. Some of them are available for the Pro version, and this is the brand color. All right, so leave it as it is for now. Below the settings you will see live order view. Currently we do not have any live order, so it's not going to show anything. Then we have product layout. Let's click on it. Now if I go to the current website and if I go to the shop page, this is the current layout of the shop page where all the products are listed. And if I go to product page and if I go to edit product, you will see the basic structure of the product. This is the title, then this is the description, this is the product image, price, and the short description. We have created some categories also: burger, chicken, pasta, pizza, and sandwich. So this is the information about a single product. So let's close. Let's go back to product layout. Now we can create a new layout to show the products on the website. So I'm going to click on add new product layout, and let's say layout 1. Here you will see categories. We have different categories, so I'm going to select all the categories, and the products in all the categories will use this new layout. Instead of this grid layout, we are going to create a new layout. What will be the display type? Grid or list? I'm going to select list. If I scroll down, you will see this is how it is going to look. This is the list. If I change it to grid, you will see this is how the grid layout will look. So let's use list. Then we have sort, that is for the pro version. Allow sorting on the front end will be for the pro version. Sections for the pro version, and images. Let's enable the images, and image will be added in the listing. So this is how the list will look instead of using this layout. Alright, then we have clickable cart. If I click on drop down, you will see quick view of the product or add to cart. So if someone clicks on this image, it is going to add that product to the cart, or it is going to open quick view option. So if I click on it, it will open quick view for that product. I'll show you how does this work. Then we have quantity roller, allow customers to add products without triggering the side drawer. Right, so you can enable this. We will see that later. So this is the new layout. Let's click on publish, and let's go to product layouts again, and you will see the shortcode that we can use to create a new layout page. So I'm going to copy this shortcode, and I'm going to create a new page. Let's create a new page here, and let's name it as order online. So instead of showing this shop page, we are going to show this new page to order products online. So this is going to be the name. Let's click on publish, and let's click on edit with Elementor. On this website I'm using Elementor, so I'm going to use Elementor page builder to create a page. If you are using any other theme or page builder, you can use that theme or page builder. Let's add a new section here, and I'm going to add shortcode. So search for shortcode, drag it and drop it here, and enter the shortcode. So you will see the list of all the products. Let's click on publish, and let's view the page. So this is the new order online page. If I click on add, it is going to add the product automatically into the cart. You will see the cart here. Close it. Let's add this one. You will see the product is added. You can also increase or decrease the quantity from here, and you will see the change here. All right, let's close it. If I click on product image, it is going to open the quick view of this product. Now this does not look good. We need to customize it. So let's close it. Let's click on this one, and you will see the short description of this product or the quick view of this product. Let's close it. So this is how the listing will look. Let's go back. Let's go to layout one again. And instead of listing, you can also use grid layout that will look like this. All right, so I'm going to keep it on list. Then we have location. Let's go to location. Now this is the address of your store. In the free version, you can create only one location. In order to create multi-location, you will need pro version. So you will see the address line, city, country, or state. I'm going to change it. All right, the states. Let's change it to Texas that we have selected. This is the zip code. These are the opening hours. And here you will see an option, maximum orders per day, but that option is for the pro version. Then we have services, which services are enabled. Delivery and pickup, both the services are enabled. And for the delivery, we have 7 days, and period will be all day, or you can create a time slot. However, the time slot is available for the pro version only. Then we have delivery zone, and one zone will be created automatically when you install this plugin. Let's cancel it. Let me show you the zone. Let's go to WooCommerce and go to WooCommerce settings and go to shipping. And here you will see the zone local is created automatically when you install this plugin. Let's go to edit, and you will see the zone is Texas. You can also add specific zip code or the postcode to limit the shipping in that specific area. And we have flat rate and local pickup. So for the flat rate, you can add pricing. Let's say you want to add 2.99 will be the delivery charges. And for the local pickup, there is no charge. It will be free. So the customer is going to pick up the order from the restaurant. So these are the shipping zones. Let's go back, and we can select that zone from here. So I'm going to select local, and let's add that zone here. Then we have order options as soon as possible. Let's enable that option. On delivery date. Then we have lead time. How long do you need to prepare the order? Leave blank or 0 for same day. Right, so I'm going to keep it 0. Pre-order days. How many days do you want to offer delivery or pickup? Leave blank or 0 for the same day. Then we have delivery days calculation method. Service days, open days, weekdays, or all days. Then we have holidays. If you want to add any holiday, you can add the holiday. You can select the date and for that date it is not going to accept the orders. Alright, so once you are done with the changes, click on save changes. Then we have a receipt layout. Let's go to receipt layout, and you will see 4 different types of receipts are there. If I go to delivery driver, you will see this is how the receipt for the delivery driver will look. Then we have order confirmation, click on it, and this is how the order confirmation receipt will look. Let's go back. Then we have add-ons, timed product, order statuses, table ordering, and product labels, but these options are available for the pro version of the plugin. So let's go back to settings here, and we are almost done with the settings in the free version. So if I go back to the order online page, I can add the product. We have already added the products. Let's go to checkout, and on the checkout you will see the order summary. You will see the shipping option will be flat rate based on the zip code, and you will see an option here, as soon as possible or today. So the customer will be able to select the option when do they want the delivery, and this is the final price. And on this demo website I have only one option available, that is cash on delivery. Now I do have the pro version of the plugin, so I'm going to install the pro version and I'll show you what features are available in the pro version. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and I have it downloaded, so I'm going to upload the plugin. Click on install now, click on activate plugin. Now let's go to Orderable, and you will see all these options are available now. So if I go to settings and if I go to locations, I can create multiple locations. Tip settings is now available. I can enable the tipping so that customer will be able to add the tip. Let's name it as 10%. Let's say the first tipping option is 10%. Let's make it 10 and %. So the customer will be able to add 10% as a tip. The default option is no tip. Enable custom tip option. Let's enable it, and custom tip label will be custom tip. Click save changes. I'll show you how does this work. Then go to checkout option, enable custom checkout. If you want to show the logo on the checkout page, you can enable that option and upload the logo. So click on save changes. Then we have order reminders again, printing, site drawer, before product option, after product option, settings for when products are displayed in the orderable drawer. So leave it as it is. And these are the notifications, admin phone number. So you can also integrate Twilio or WhatsApp so that all the information will be sent to the WhatsApp, as well as you can send via SMS. Here you will see integration. You can also integrate Google API. Now let's go to locations, and here now you see you can add multiple locations. This is the main location, and you can add multiple location here. If you want to edit main location, you can go to main location and you can make changes to the main location. If you want to add more locations, you can click on add new location. Then we have product add-ons. Let's go to product add-ons, and here you can create product add-ons. I'll show you how the add-on looks. Then we have product labels. You can also add product labels. For example, I want to show that the product is spicy, so I'm going to add a new label there, spicy. Let's select the type, icon, and name. And for the icon, I'm going to select, let's say, spicy. This icon, background color will be red. So this is how it will look. Okay, so we have added this product label. Let's go to one of the products here. Let's go to this one, and let's go to edit this product. And if I scroll down, you will see an option product label, and here I can select spicy. So we have added this label to the product, and click update. Let's go back. Let's go to product layouts, edit it, and we want to show that label. So right now it is not showing anywhere, so I'm going to select the label position. Let's make it before price, and you will see it here. So this label will be shown on the listing. Let's update it, and let's go to order online page, refresh it, and you will see that label here. So this product is spicy. So this is how you can add the labels here. Now we are on the layout, and for the layout we have sorting option now because we are using pro version. Then we have sections, no title, no tab, or let's use top tabs. So it will show the tabs at the top. So I'm going to save it, and let's refresh it. Now you will see another layout. So if I click on chicken, it will show the products under chicken. If I click on pasta, it will show products under pasta. So this is a new layout. You will see these options, sections. We have created different sections. The tabs are at the top. You can also use side tabs. Then we have quick view product and the label is there. You will see it here. If I select side tabs, it will look like this. Now I have another demo website where I have installed the pro version of the plugin, and I have also created the product add-ons. So if I go to dashboard and product add-ons, you will see different types of add-ons I have already created. So this is the add-on for the burger. If I go to edit, you will see these are the add-ons. For the burger, they can use add-ons like cheese, toppings, condiments. So if I click on cheese, you will see an option here. We have different options under cheese. For example, American cheese, extra price will be $0.49. Then we have cheddar cheese, extra price will be $0.49. So if the customer is going to select any one of these options, they will need to pay extra. And these are the product add-ons. So if I go to toppings, you will see different toppings are created. Lettuce, tomato, onion, and these are the free toppings. Then we have another option, ketchup, mustard, mayo, BBQ, and these are also free add-ons. You can change the label here. This is using image. You can also change it to color, and this one is selected by default, and this is a checkbox. So for each and every add-on, there is an option checkbox, drop down, radio, and text. So if I go to actual product page here, we have a burger here, and if I click on burger, in the quick view you will see this option. These are the add-ons, cheese, toppings, and condiments. So if I want to add this American cheese, I can select that one and the price will be added automatically. These are the free toppings, so I can add them free. So if I want to add all these add-ons, I can add them to the product. If I want to add this cheese, I can use this one. So this is a radio button, so it is going to select any one of these 4 options. So I'm going to select this one. It has already added 0.49 in the pricing, so I can add that product. So you will see the product here. This is the product. We have this add-on here, cheese American. Toppings are added and the condiments are also added. And here you will see you may also like. This is a customized quick view. And if I go to dessert, and if I go to this one, you will see the quick view of this product. We have some toppings for this one, and we have also added nutritional information for this product, serving 2 calories, how many calories are there, everything can be customized. And this is the description of the product. And let's minimize these add-ons here. Alright, so we have 3 different add-ons, and while creating an add-on, you will see a condition here for which product you want to show this add-on. So we are going to create a rule to show this add-on for the products. For this burger toppings add-on, we are going to set up a rule which is a product category is equal to burger. So if the product is from the burger category, it is going to show that add-on automatically. So for all these burgers, it is going to show this add-on automatically. So you can create different rules to show these add-ons on different products. So if I go to product add-ons again, we have another category that is pizza toppings. And for the pizza toppings, we have one add-on. So let's close this one, go to pizza and select one of these pizzas. And you will see the toppings here. And for each topping, there is an additional price. So if I go here and if I open it, you will see these are the check boxes. So I can use multiple add-ons. I can select multiple items from here and it is going to add that pricing. So I can create a new one. For example, this is extra cheese, that is going to cost $1. Extra sauce will cost $1. Then we have add sauces. Then we have add bacon, that will cost $2. So you can give them multiple options and increase the revenue. All right, so I have selected all these options. I'm going to click on add, and it is going to add that product to the cart. This is the product. You will see the toppings. Now let's go ahead and click on checkout. And this is the checkout page on this demo website. You will see all the details here. The flat rate is nothing but the shipping cost. If I select pickup, then it is going to reduce that $2.99. If I select shipping, then it is going to add that price here. You will see that here. It depends on what shipping zone that you have selected and you have created. Then we have delivery date, as soon as possible or today. So these are the two options here. If I select today, as soon as possible, I can also select the time when I want this product to be delivered. So let's say I want this product at 4 p.m. So I'm going to select 4 p.m. and that will be mentioned on the order. So I want this order to be delivered today at 4 p.m. and this is going to be the shipping cost. Then we have apply promo code and tip amount. So this demo website has the tip amount enabled. Customer will be able to select any one of these options: 15% tip, 18%, 22%. If I select 15%, it is going to add 15% of the total amount, that is 5.23, and that will be added to the order. If I do not want, then I can select no tip and that will be reduced, or I can also create a custom tip. Let's say I want to add $2. Click apply and $2 will be added automatically. So this is the final price. I can place the order and it will be placed. So you will see order is done, order details. These are the order details. Total price is there. Shipping address is there. Now if I go back to dashboard and if I go to live order view, it will show that order 18 seconds ago, and the status of this order is on hold because we have not received the details here. And the type of the order will be delivery. We are going to deliver that order to the customer's address, and you will see the due date and time. Today's date and 4 p.m. is the time, and the location of this store. So it is going to select the location also. If I go back and if I go back to shop page again, now let's select it. Let's add checkout. You can change the zip code. Let's change this zip code. When I try to change the zip code, it's giving me two different options: main locations and secondary location. If I add new zip code, this zip code will be served by this main locations. So I can change the zip code and I can select the location. Let's say I want this one, so I can select this one, or I can pick up. So if I click pick up, that will show here. So this demo website has two different stores. Okay, so this is the order. Let's go to this order, click on the order, and let's say we are going to change the status to preparing. We are preparing it and it will show the status there. Now let's go back. Now let's go to website and go to my account, and if I go to orders, this is the customer's account and you will see the status of the order. This is the order that we placed and it shows the status is prepping. If I change the order status, let's say it is for delivery, then update it. If I go back to order, refresh it, and you will see the update here, this order for delivery now. And once completed, you can change the status to completed. So from here you can manage the orders. This shows the live order view, and if you want to print, you can also use print. You will see the default print, delivery, order number. These two options are there. I can simply print this and use it. So if you are looking for an online ordering system, you can try using free Orderable plugin. If you want more features, you can go with the pro version of the plugin. The pro plugin will cost you $149 per website per year, in which you will get all these features. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.